Okay, the first thing I'm going to show you is a template, um, and why you would use that. So a template is something, say like for me, a report that I use each week, where the base of that report is the same. So I want to be able to easily each week just go and access it. So you can make a template. So you locate where your template is saved and you double click on it. It's going to pull it up and you'll see you just have your base in there. So to save it, first when you save it as a template, the important thing is you save it. You want to make sure you do this one right here where it says Excel template. But here I'm actually going to save it for me to use right now. So I'm going to save it in my folder, and I'm going to save it as just test, just because to save it as something. So the first thing I'm going to show you is how to import information or import from other files. So we go to our data tab, and you can do from Access, from the web, or from a text. So I'm going to do text. And you got to make sure, let me backpedal here. You got to make sure you have the cell selected where you want to put it. So go to your text. There's my file. Sometimes you have to navigate to it the first time. Here you want to hit next. And this, I don't want a tab. I want comma. And next. And here, there's a couple things I want to change. Actually, it's the next screen I want to change. So you hit finish, and here I want to hit my properties. Okay, and I want to unselect the adjust column width and select overwrite existing cells with new data. Click OK. Click OK, and it pops in where it's supposed to be. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is how to text or how to do a paste special. So in Word, I opened up the text that I need, and I'm going to copy the selected text that I need. So here, I'm going to go up and click copy, or you can do Control C. So it's copied. I'm going to close out Word real quick. All right, and I'm going to go down a ways. That's good. And then I'm going to go up here to Home. You do Paste, and you do Paste Special. And then you select Text and do OK. So there is our text that we need. Now, I want to transpose this. So I'm going to show you how you can do that. So with this text still selected, I'm going to go up and I'm going to do copy. And then I want to put it right here. So what I need to do is I do paste. And you go right here, it's transpose. So it moves it, or it changes how it is. You see that these columns, this is over here instead of over on the other side. So then I need to do some adjusting because this first field is actually supposed to be split. So I'm going to show you that. So that is actually called text to columns. So I want to select the range that I need. Hold on. I'm used to using a mouse. So it's under your data table, and you want to do text to columns. And it's kind of the same. This is okay. I don't want it a tab. I want it a space. And then you do your next and finish. Oops, I goofed. Hold on. I forgot to move my other stuff first. So let me move that. And that you would just highlight what you got to move, get your little handlebar, move it over. So now let's go back and we're going to do the splitting. So we do that, text to columns. Next, that's all the right. Finish. There you go, it's all split. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you is the quick access tool. So I want to select this range. I'm just going to do a little bit there, and you hit this little tool there. And I'm going to do the formatting and the 10% if it's hidden under me. Hold on, let me move my little face. Okay, so I want to do the top 10%. So you hit that, and it tells you, it changes the color, the formatting. The next thing I want to show you is the word art, which is right here, the 2015. So how you do that is right up here, this word art, and you can select how you want to make that look. I'm going to just show you samples. Let's do that one. It's going to change here, and then you can do whatever you want, to type whatever you want. So there's different ones that you can use on that. Okay, and the next thing that I wanted to show actually was pretty interesting for me because I'm using Excel 2016, and a lot of times I use Edge for my work, which I am again right now, I just noticed. But what I have noticed, okay, for doing the hyperlinking, so say I want to do, I want to insert a web page. And you go here and you go web, it's not going to show me any available pages because it doesn't work with Edge. So I am going to open up an Excel sheet or a Internet Explorer and it'll work. Okay, so now I'm going to go insert web, and it shows me pages that are available. Where before, excuse the yelling in the background if you hear it because it's the game. But before it didn't show, you didn't have the options because it doesn't work with Edge. It's really weird. So you hit import and it thinks. And Excel's not responding. Okay, so it asks you where you want to put it. And I didn't do that correct. There. I still didn't do that correctly. Hold on. Okay, I'm not even sure what I was thinking because I was showing you completely incorrectly. But to insert with the hyperlink in a page, it's on the Insert tab, and you go to this screenshot. And it pops up your windows. This is going to be the one that I want. You do screen clipping. Oh, it's so hard without my mouse. Hold on. It's my available page. And yes, I want the hyperlink. So your hyperlink is down at the bottom. Okay, so sorry, I had a little bit of an error right there at the end. But hopefully I covered everything for you.